Local news about local people. This is Newslink Indiana.
Good morning, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. A Muncie woman trying to save money on her heating bill accidentally caused a fire at her home Friday morning around 10. Fire investigators say the owner of this home in the 1800 block of Wade Avenue, Reva O'Neill, turned her stove on, then left. A bottle of cooking oil on the stove caught fire. Firefighters say the kitchen was severely damaged.
But they go off and leave them on, stuff in the oven or on top of the stove, and it's going to catch on fire.
A neighbor called 911. Fortunately, no one was injured. Pop, snap, twist. An Anderson man's unusual collection continues to grow with each flick of the wrist. As Newslink Indiana's Fenya Stickert shows us, it's a mission of love.
Larry Finesse collects pop can taps. Not just a few here and there. He wants to get 1 million.
Okay, thanks.
Today, a stop at the village pantry got him closer to his goal.
No cans.
Once he gets home, he takes them off, counts them, and puts them into this bucket.
Believe me, I knew when I first started taking them off, Betty, you get sore. I know. Right now, I can pop them off like nothing. Don't bother me.
Since July, he's collected more than 490,000. But will he be satisfied after he has that millionth tab in his hands?
Because I'm hooked on tabs. I can't quit. No. I can tell you, I'd be lying.
He goes on his tab collection tour every day in all kinds of weather. In the summer, up to 6 times a day. He appreciates the support of the people in Anderson.
It's like a family. I don't know them, but they know me.
Vanessa gives all the tabs to the Ronald McDonald House in Indianapolis, which uses them as a fundraiser.
Nah, I just like helping people. That's just me.
In Anderson, Fenya Stickert, Newslink, Indiana.
Vanessa says once he reaches his million pop tab goal, he'll frame the millionth tab and replace it with another. Well, now here's Ina Segal with a look at our forecast. Ina?
We're calling for a morning temperature of 35 degrees with a light south wind and mostly sunny skies. As we head out through our day, we're going to see mostly sunny skies. Some clouds might creep in the PM hours, but our high temperature for today is 48 degrees and a light south wind. Your 5-day forecast calls for an increase of temperatures as we head into the weekend. Saturday, we're calling for a high temperature of 48. Sunday 50, and storms are going to roll back in as we head into the PM hours on Sunday night.
Thanks, Ina. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 6:27 Monday night for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.